And now, ICEM Shape Design Environment, we can make NURBS modeling surfaces in this environment. Non-Uniform Rational Basic Spline, NURBS, is a mathematical model commonly used in computer graphics for generating and representing curves and surfaces. Okay, let's start. First command is patch creation, exactly similar to patch surface command series in freestyle environment. To start, create planar patch surfaces, and increase the number of U and V isoparametric curves. Okay, good. Try to do it and complete the job and make a planar patch surface. Finish the job. Okay, it's so good. And then find and run the control point command, and in dialog box, first select this surface. In support, find it here. Default is normal to compass. Now move the mouse on each control point and see its sign, test it, and then move and drag desired control point and see the deformation of patch surface. So strong modification tool. Back again to default surface, and this time test the new type. Test it more and more and check it out. So strong and powerful tool to modification the NURBS surfaces. Back again and undo to the default flat surface. Next command is surface revolution. Find it and run the command. Type by default is cylinder, and in axis. Select this line, and now change its parameters, radius, height. Test it more and more, and then, here. In rotation, again change the start and end angle, and see the cylinder preview in graphic window. OK. Also in approximation tab, in order, change the V and U numbers. OK. Test other types of revolution surface, cone, sphere, torus, barrel. So easy to create. Do it and complete the revolution surfaces creation. OK, complete the command and finish the cylinder, and start the modification with control point command. Run the command and use the NURBS format specification and start to deforming this cylinder. Let's start. Next command is patch from curve. Run the command and in dialog box, in count of edges, 2 edges, and 3 edges, and then 4 edges. Start the job with 2 edges, in edge 1 and edge 2, in graphic window, here. Select this 2 edges and finish the job. Now see the result surface and apply the command. OK, so good. Check it out and test the result surface more and more, and next is 3 edges, and add this edge to the process. Select this edge and complete the job, and again click apply and see the new result surface in graphic window. Do it and finish the job and then test the 4 edges type of patch surface. Again click apply and test the result. Try to do it and complete the job and check it out. Also in continuity, in each one, edge 2, edge 3, and edge 4, you can define your desired continuity in each one. Test all of them, G0, G1, G2 and G3, OK. These parameters are absolutely repetitious and explained before completely and no need to repeat again, OK. Now in dialog box, in support 1 and support 2, select this 2 flat NURBS surfaces and then, here, define a radius for this fillet and then, in continuity support 1 and support 2, test the parameters. G0, G1, G2 and G3. Check it out and test all of them and see its operation on graphic window. OK, good. Try to do it and complete the job and test it again and again. Now OK the command and then, in toolbar, find and run the control point command, and start to modification this surface. Let's start, enjoy it. Cancel the command and next one is matching constraint. Run the command and then in source, here. In graphic area select this edge of patch surface, and target. Target edge is fixed during deformation process. Select this edge as target, and apply the command. Now you can see the operation of this command. OK. So strong. Test the continuity and check it out in graphic window. Check all of them, G0, G1, G2 and G3. Try to do it and complete the job and test these options more and more and OK the command, and then, here. Again repeat this command to this other 2 edges, connect this other edges with this command and then define the source and target edges, and again test all continuity types, check it out and complete the job. Try to do it and test it more and more and see its operation in graphic window. OK, it's so good. And then undo, and back again to the default situation. Do that and next command is multi-side match surface. OK. Run it and in dialog box, select your desired edges respectively, and make your desired continuity to edges. So easy to use. Complete the selections and now, change its continuity by click on its sign in graphic window.